Do you want to learn how to change language on DeepSeek AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem on both mobile and browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, on the browser, log in to your account on DeepSeek AI. Now, on the bottom left, you're going to find my profile. Click on it. It's going to give you a pop-up. Now click on the first option, which is settings. It's going to give you another pop-up. Now inside here under the settings, general, you're going to find language. Next to it, we have this drop down. Click on it and it's going to give you these two options, which is English and Chinese. Now they have more options to select in languages, but it's available only on mobile. On browser, you can only select between these two languages. There's also system. Maybe if you have your system language in another language, it might detect that and make it different. So for example, I'm going to test it out. Okay, I'm signed back in and it's currently using the Netherlands language, which is Dutch. You can see here, if I hover on these elements, it has that Dutch language on it. And let's go back to DeepSeek and see if it's now using that Dutch language or not. In my profile, I'll go to settings, and inside the settings, it is currently set to system. The language is set to system, but the DeepSeek is not recognizing the language that we chose in the system language, because the system language is currently Netherlands, Dutch, and the UI is still in English. But if I go to settings and I try to change it to Chinese, it does change the interface language to Chinese. So yes, it does not change the language based on your system language. Now let's check out the same thing, how to change the language on DeepSeek on mobile phone. So I have this app opened on my mobile and I'm going to click on this two lines on top left. Now on the bottom, you're going to find this profile name. Click on it. Then over here in the profile settings, you can change the app language. You can also change the color scheme and delete all chats, delete account, etc. I'm going to click on this app language here. And now inside this, you'll have these options. So you can change from these. There are so many different languages available. So I can literally change it to Dutch as well here, Filipino and Netherlands and a lot more. Now, if I make it like this and I go back, now as you can see, the interface is changed into that language. Now, this feature is very limited in the browser. In the app, you can change the language to so many different languages, which is weird. Maybe they will change it in a future update. So yes, that's it. This is how to change the language on DeepSeek on both mobile and the browser. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.